Hey there. So this is a health tracker bundle with multiple different spreadsheets on it. I've got each one of these spreadsheets available separately for sale, but I do have this one as a huge bundle. So this is how it works. So at the README, after I'm done, you'll have the link here for the YouTube video to watch it, and then you'll just click on the next one. And this is going to work only in Google Sheets. So you've got the appointment tracker. So you just want to highlight any of these and then just delete and then just write in what you'd like to have. So if this is the doctor, you'll put the address here, the phone, and then the email and so on. And so you can keep up with that there. You've got a place for your symptom tracker. So this is for just keeping up with how you're feeling, what's going on, stuff to take with you to the doctor. And then you can just put the date, your time, the time that the symptom ended, the symptoms, and all of that there. You've got an area for questions for the doctor. This has a checkbox, so after you've asked their questions, you can check it off. We've got a medication checklist. So these all work just like this. So you just want to delete out something in the cell and then just write your prescription name. The quantity that, the number of pills you have, the dosage, if it's low stock, none, or in stock, the expiration date, and then the prescribing doctor, and then check it off so that you've checked off that you have it and you've already gone through your checklist. Allergies, this is a place for you to write down your allergies. So just, when you get this template, just simply highlight everything and then hit the backspace button and you can just start fresh with your own personal allergies. And then you can just go on and say, hit backspace. And then you just write your own allergies. So if you're allergic to bees, you get swelling, your meds here, dosage, and your prescribing doctor. And then the expiration date. You could double click in there. Insurance information if you want to keep up with all of your insurance companies, the policy number, the phone number to contact them, and any notes. You've got a place for blood pressure tracker. So it's the same thing. You would just write your blood pressure here after you take it. Your pulse, and then the result, just the drop-down box. And any notes here. You've got a blood sugar tracker. So this is for someone who just, wants to keep track of daily blood sugars. If you can put in carbs, the insulin that you used, and then checking blood sugar 3 hours after the meal. We also have a gratitude journal. So this is a place for you to, keep up with more of your mental health, how you're feeling, what's going on. So you can just go right in here anything that you'd like. We've got a water tracker. So this is, keeping up with drinking water is really hard for everybody. So you just want to come in here and uncheck all the boxes and start from scratch. Start the date that you're beginning to drink, track your water. And then you can put your goal. So you want to drink, 64 ounces daily. And then once you hit yes, these numbers will go up and your percentage will get better. And this will grow and change as well. I've got a place for weekly goals and monthly goals. There's a place for sleep to track your sleep as well. And also a self-care checklist. So you would just delete out, any of these items and then just fill in whatever you'd like. So you want to, go on a walk every week. And this is Sundays. And if you want to meditate. And then once you check it off, this will show as completed. And then your little dark pink will get darker.